Hi everyone, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. And if you hear a little snoring dog in the background, that's because Lucy's here with me today, taking one of her mini naps. Hope this video finds you well. As we all hunker down at home, I'm probably not the only one that has taken it upon themselves to do some organization. So in today's video, I show you the results of my pantry organization in my kitchen. It was a daunting task. I did it on a Saturday and it took me hours, and it's crazy. I have a family of 5 that are all here now, obviously, and they're pretty much 5 adults, the youngest being in high school, 2 in college, and then my husband and myself. And it's amazing how things get buried and hidden back in the pantry. So I must have unloaded 5 or 6 trash bags of stuff that either I want to get rid of, like odds and ends in addition to food is what I'm trying to say. So I got rid of some stuff, and then it expired food, things like that. So got rid of a bunch of stuff. Then I went to the Dollar Tree since they were open. I was honestly going to order some things online for storage purposes. I really wanted to utilize bins. But for one, they were so much more expensive. And then I do think there's some delays in shipping, and I was ready to do this like now. So I incorporated a trip to the Dollar Tree to get some essential items. Like I was actually able to score some cleaning supplies and things like that. And then I got tons of these types of tubs. Now, color choice was not my first choice, but my options were blue, green, or red if I wanted a variety of the different sizes. So I went with blue, so I have all blue. But for $1 each, I got a ton because I did not want to not have enough. That would be a problem. So now I have some extra that I'll probably use for a different spot in the house that I'll organize next. So anyway, let me just give you a little bit of a tour of what the final result looks like. So let's take a look. Okay, take a look at my pantry. The top shelf over here is water bottles. We kept one thermos, but with most of my kids out, well, now everybody's home, but we greatly condensed our water bottles and just kept one thermos and a few water bottles and got rid of the rest. This basket, and again, these are all from Dollar Tree. This is pancake breakfast, like baking mixes. Up here, this tub is drinks, so hot tea and hot chocolate mixes. Over here, we have sprinkles, and more sprinkles, and some food coloring, frosting, things like that. But I have tons of sprinkles. Over here, I've got my pasta sauces. The extra Parmesan cheese. Over here is all extras that have not been opened. So you see peanut butter and honey. And then over here, these are also, I think these are from the Dollar Tree. But these are like canned soups, canned foods, things like that. I even have some extra room now because I've put the unopened things elsewhere. So this main shelf is dedicated to snacky things that people reach for often. So this is like crackers and, goldfish crackers, things like that. Back here, and this is on like a riser, so there's nothing under it. And this is like bars, and some nuts. This is chips, things like that. This one is, I guess, more chips and miscellaneous type snacks. There's popcorn, there's these fruit crisps, and chips that are in the stand-up thing. I got these at the Dollar Tree, by the way, yesterday. Back here is just the sweets. We just have some miscellaneous stuff. Some opened Girl Scout cookies, M&Ms, lollipops, just miscellaneous sweets. Right here, my husband usually has peanut butter and honey on a green gluten-free cracker every morning. So this is the opened peanut butter. He has crunchy and regular, and some honey that's open. That's just for him, quick grab, because he has that every morning. These are our lower carb snacks, mostly for my son, who's really watching that. So he's kind of dedicated bin for snacks. Moving down here to this next shelf. These are spices, especially ones that are like rubs and things we put on burgers and steaks. This little spinny thing I saw from Do It On a Dime. It's 2 pie plates from the Dollar Tree, and in between are marbles so that it can spin. Pretty fun, huh? And then this is just a regular spinny one that has more of those things. Oh, I just think I knocked one off. I did. Any lighter. In the back there are, these are like my stockpile backup things. So
This very back basket is salad dressings that are unopened. This is just miscellaneous, don't know what to do with stuff. And then this is unopened condiments, things like that. This basket here pulls out and it's just rice. And this one similar is just pastas. And then down below, we've got everything you need for the baking shelf. So I have it divided up into like regular, this brown sugar, regular flour, my tub of flour. There's regular sugar back there. This is almond flour. This tub is flat or powdered sugar, chocolate chips. Back there are different types of sweeteners like coconut sugar, swerve, things like that. Over here are various flours, gluten-free, coconut flour, things like that. Over here we've got cornstarch, cooking spray, oils, things like that. Finally, the bottom shelf, bags, shopping bags, napkins in the back, a backup lunch bag if we need it, some like my roasting pan, Christmas items, pitchers, my big mixer that is so heavy, it's from my mom, and then this little basket of extra foils, cling wrap, things like that. I have some out in a drawer. This is just sort of backup items. And then down here are some random things we use for baking, like those ketchup and mustard bottles are great to put icing in, frosting in for detail work. Got those at the Dollar Tree. I don't know where I got that idea, but anyway, that is the pantry. We'll see how functional it is, but it took a while, but it seems much, much cleaner, and got rid of a lot of expired things. It's amazing how with a family of 5, things get buried. And then so we don't even know what we have, especially with this baking stuff. So that was good to get all that done because it makes it much easier to bake. We can do almond flour, we can do gluten-free baking powder, we can do coconut flour, we've got it all, and it's easy to find. And then on the door, I've always had this, just some spices. Cleaned that up a little bit, got rid of some that were old.
Okay, so that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.